Hello everybody to another video. As many of you might have noticed, I don't monetize my videos, which means I don't get money out of the views. And the only way to support me is through my assets. And so I've been working for some time now on this asset, and as you can see, it's floating islands, low poly, and it's lightweight render pipeline or even inverser pipeline, which means it's available immediately for 2019.3, which has these two, one cartoon and the other one is realistic water fountain, or whatever you want to call it. And let's just take a look around here. You can see trees, grass-ish, a lot of rocks, and more trees, more islands, more bridges, and so on. And this is the realistic one. Obviously you can change the normal map to whatever you want, but this is just a quick and dirty material setup. It will obviously refract whatever is behind it. So what does this material pack have? We have, let's save that, we have this it's the same setup but with different colors. And I created also another material which will, let me show you, it will put a random color for the object based on its X and Z position, right? So all what you need to do is to specify a range of colors that you want, and this material is applied to all these trees. And you can see if you change this guy, and you can obviously change the seed as well to have different variation between them. Let's go for red, maybe. And you get the idea. So I used this for everything: the cactuses, the grass, and the trees, so that I don't need to change the color randomly between them one by one. You can just throw one material and it will do all of that for you. What else? So let's go to the showroom and show you everything in this material pack, or in this asset. We have 3 different types of islands, with water and without, and we have bridges. You can obviously create as long as bridges as you want. I created these 3, or all of them, out of these 4 objects. And we have 3 types of trees, for each one 3 variations, or 4, and 3 types or 3 sizes, you can say, of cactuses, for each one 3 variations. And you can obviously use orthographic view to have this nice, I don't know, what do you want to call it, orthographic-y feel. And that's basically it. You can find my asset on the asset store. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support, and have a nice one.